Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 15th, 2022. We are going to talk about Polygon or MATIC today and give you some bad moments that I'm seeing on the price chart for this currency. You guys can see from my last price prediction, I was looking for the price in MATIC to go up, and that hasn't been the case. So that is the bad moment that I'm noticing on the chart, and we are on the cusp of possibly seeing this cryptocurrency continue to go lower. Welcome to my channel. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. You guys can see right now in front of you that I expected the price in MATIC to go up. Well, I'm not going to break that down, and now I'm going to show you something else that is quite obvious that we need to talk about. So welcome. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Make sure you tap the bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on any of my content, because you want to stay ahead of the game, because that is the edge that we have against everyone else in the markets. So look, let me break down as to why I think that this is not a great time to come in and buy the market in MATIC. Take a look at the chart right now. Price has been literally decreasing since I did my price prediction. Now, when you see these type of events occur, this is not the moment to say, okay, I'm going to hold on one more day, or I'm going to give it to the end of the month to see where price is, because the market is now telling us, you probably thought that the price was going to go up, and it's not going to go up. So we need to come in and adjust our idea. The market is literally telling us this. So why would we try to be emotional? Why would we try to think that we can mentally change the price direction? The market is going down. And when it does that, you got to keep it real with yourself and say, all right, cool. I might need to cut these losses now, because if I don't, I'm going to increase them. And we don't want to do that now, do we? No, of course we don't. So let's talk about this real quick. The market didn't go right. Okay. I did the video on April the 3rd. And here has been the result right here. The market in MATIC is in a downtrend. There's no life here into the market. When you see this type of reaction of where prices falls, then it tells you that the buyers are not here. The buyers are not at these price levels. The market is trying to find buyers. But every day that the market in MATIC traded, it continued to go lower and lower and lower and lower, and it's trying to find the buyers. Like, we got to give the market credit. It tells us what it's trying to do, and so far it hasn't found the buyers. So yes, this is not a good forecast that I did. I get it. I am a human. Every price prediction that I conduct on a daily basis does not come out to pass, doesn't come to fruition, which is why I also come through and try to teach you all at what level do you need to come through and cut the play, and not act like you don't understand that prices are decreasing or that the market is going against you. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. See that? 16%, 16.64% down right now. Now, if I continue to go on with what I was thinking about on April the 3rd, that 16.64% can actually increase if we continue to see MATIC go lower to 34%, 40%. Who knows? Let me show you something. Now I'm going to zoom out on this chart, and this is another bad moment that I'm noticing into the market for MATIC. Look at this. A very good trend occurred into the market in MATIC. Like, we got to give the market overall credit, because this is a bullish market. This is what it's supposed to look like. When people tell you that you want to come in and hold cryptocurrencies or stocks for the long term, this is the type of result you want to see. You want to see the market ever increasing in value as time goes on. We're on the cusp of now seeing MATIC possibly break this trend that started all the way back in February 2021. Yes, we're there. So now, if there's any important time for us to see something to occur, is right now. We need to see the buyers come into the market in MATIC, like right now. These two areas right here. It's the location that we need to see the buyers come in. Okay, this is the first area. And then the second area is down here. Okay, $1.20. Now, I'm going to switch over to time frames, because I want to show you what is the likelihood of us seeing the buyers come into the market in MATIC, right? At $1.30 to $1.20. Those are the two areas that I'm eyeing, that I'm paying attention to see if the buyers are actually going to show interest in MATIC and start buying up the currency there. So this is the 2-day, okay? So now, looking at the 2-day time frame, I mean, look at this. there's no one in the market in MATIC really trying to buy. There's no interest, there's no demand. No one is trying to push this price higher in MATIC. The last 4 2-day price bars, you guys can see that the price bar closes lower than the previous one, and it all comes off of this 2-day price bar right there. So let's look at MATIC on the 3-day. So here it is again in MATIC. 3-day time frame. We have what, 12 hours and 59 minutes left, and currently it doesn't look bad, right? It doesn't look as detrimental to where we can see the market go all the way down to $1, but the buyers are trying to hold price at 130. That's what we're seeing on the 3-day time frame. Here's MATIC on the 5-day. Do you think that this currency is bullish? I mean, let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. Look at the price movement we came from already. You guys can see that the market is making lower highs and lower lows. Weekly time frame. This is what occurred into the market last week in MATIC. Okay, right there. That's a push to go down bar, right? This lets us know that the market pushed the price down because the market closed on the low of that weekly price bar, and currently we're trying to find buyers at 130. $1.30 is where it's at. This is MATIC on a 2-weekly time frame. Pretty much the same thing. MATIC on the 3 weeks. So look at this. We have 2 days and 13 hours left. I'm definitely going to continue to pay attention to the 3-weekly time frame because it lets us know whether or not the market is extremely weak. So I got 2 days and 13 hours left. But looking at this as of this particular moment, yeah, it does look as if MATIC is going to continue to drop. It does. To the point where, yeah, we can see the price actually break the trend that started in February 2021. This is the 5 weeks. This is the last completed 5-weekly price bar, and we're kind of looking the same. The price is closing on the low end of the bar. Again, 2 days and 13 hours left, but it's still weakness. We're not seeing any strength on none of the multiple time frames that I've shown you. So in order for us to be forecasters, in order for us to have the edge in the market, we have to predict these things way ahead of time. So I'm looking for the price in MATIC to actually go lower. $130 is first. So that gives us 6.5% movement to the downside. My second area is $1.20. Gives us 13%. Okay. I'm going to bring the price all the way up here to $1.70 into the market in MATIC because, like I said, you guys can tell over the last couple of trading days that the market is not really trying to go lower, right? It pretty much kind of looks like it's trading sideways a little bit like that, right? It doesn't look that detrimental to where the market is forcefully trying to go lower, which is why I only got 2 price targets, $1.30 and $1.20, which would be the best outcome for us to see MATIC maintain, is for it to continue to trade this way. That would be great for us to continue to let this market hold support at either $1.30 or $1.20. Now, if we break $1.20, then this trend that started all the way back since February 2021, we need to let that go. We're in a different environment because the buyers left the markets. Okay. So now, this is what I'm thinking as of this particular moment as to where I'm thinking price is going to go. I'm going to give the buyers another opportunity to show their hand that they're willing to buy this currency at $1.30 or $1.20. But looking at the time frames, the environment is weakness though. Okay. So let's see if the buyers come in at $1.30 or $1.20, and from there we'll move forward. Now it's your turn. Hit me up and tell me where do you all think MATIC is going to go over the next couple of weeks. All right. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.